This is my LinkedIn profile page, and here we are going to show you how to edit your profile and make changes. uh, First things first, for the good profile, first you require is a good profile picture. Let me tell you how to change your profile picture. Click your profile picture. There are certain options that is available. For example, delete to remove this profile picture. There is frame. There are three frames. One is open to work for looking for if you are looking for job, hiring if you are looking to hire people. These are the three frames available. Then comes add photos. In the add photo section, there are two options. Either you can use the camera to take your picture, or you can upload your picture from your desktop. Then comes the edit feature. In the edit feature, you can drag and select position, so your face gets enlightened more. And there are some edit options available to adjust brightness, contrast, etc., and multiple filters. And there is an option for visibility. For example, currently I have set all my visibility that any LinkedIn member can see my profile picture. And there is another option, anyone from outside can also view my picture. And there is other network where only your network can view your profile picture, or the one first degree connections can see it. So this is about the profile picture. So after the creating the profile creating and updating the profile picture, there are certain things you need to do. For example, you updating your contact information. For that, you can use the edit button here. So this gives you all the where you can edit. For example, my name, addition name if you have thing. There's an option for per name pronunciation. If it's your name is difficult to pronounce, that's only available in the mobile application. And what the headline required to be. For example, I have just given my job description as person, and then current position. If any other position you have taken, you can just update it here and add no below positions here. Then comes what currently about your company, what's the highest education you have achieved, etc. Then you can add or edit your informations like your URL informations, email, and your website, etc. For example, I have added my YouTube channel link here. Then if you scroll down, we can reach our about page. So this is give you a brief description. Here too we can give you a brief description about what you do. And here I have I'm written I have passionate about improving myself, and I'm trying to give my 100%. So if you can edit it, you can change the description, you can make it however big you want. For you can scroll it to see all the scripts. Currently it can support up to 2600 letters. You can see my LinkedIn URL page is custom URL where my name is specified. You can also do it by going to edit public URL link and click it. It will give you a page, and at the corner you can see edit your custom URL, where you can click it and change whatever you want and save. Beneath that comes your experiences, where you can showcase your existing and previous working organizations. In order to do that, there are two options. One is to add experience and one is to edit your experience. So I need to add it, just click add new position to give your current selection. For example, I'm doing senior system admin, employee type full type, or you can choose different type, trainee, intern, freelance. Then company, you can just give random companies if you're required. I preferably not to do that. And which location you want to give. Microsoft. And you can select the date you're joining and the end. So currently this is, if you set this toggle up, that means you're working here, and this is to may mark the end of the previous company if you mark that. And you can add skills are recommended, and if you require you can add media content of that company. For example, it would be a presentation you did, or something like that, or a video, something like that you can add. And another option is add a career break. So if you had a career break where you were, and I'm currently on career break or something like that, you can add why you took career break, etc. And what you did can be added in the media section as well. Next comes the edit option. In this you can edit what all experiences you had. For example, I'm senior software engineer, that can be edited. It's full-time, LinkedIn, location I can add. And if there is an option to add more descriptive information about it. So I'm just added the location where I am working, Great Bangalore, yeah. And currently you can add as much experiences you required. So after finishing off the experience, now it's time to add education. You can add your education by under the education and plus. You can just give school name, degree, field of study, and date, just like the experience we have added, and require media if required. Similarly, we can edit those as well. For example, this is my degree and expansion, and we can rearrange your position as well. It's like based on which you want to prominently show, etc. After that, there comes the licensing and certification. Basically, you can add your certification here to make sure your network can view it. Or if you are using LinkedIn Learning, that degrees after completion of the certificates, that can be automatically added here. And if you want to add it manually, you can just click and type the name of this certificate, from which organization you received, and month, and credential ID and URL. For example, if you want to edit, you can just edit here. This is an expire date, LinkedIn Learning critical. Then you can change it when you want, like date, year, current date does not expire, etc. I have done few of courses. Then comes the skill segment. This is quite important, where you can showcase your skill, and this will help you in getting a wider reach into the network and getting recruited as well. You can actually take a skill quiz test and get it here, or you can just add it, which one you want, like flask. Yes, and I just it, added scale, and this will appear here. See, I have given Flask and tools experience in LinkedIn. Example that can be done. Another important feature you should look into is recommendation. This is where your colleagues are given recommendation about you and how you are working. For example, this is my colleague Melville James who has given me a recommendation, and similarly by Nived. You can do the edit and received, give, and pending. This is one request given. Some Chaitesh has requested me to give a recommendation, and I have to finish it up.